My video guide is about getting rid of the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site thecloudventnow.com. Thecloudventnow.com is a malicious website that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers too. Thecloudventnow.com tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The point is that it's a mistake to click on allow, and this would hijack your browser immediately with plenty of advertisements that will be attacking your screen in the form of web push notifications. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, you need to fix your browser to stop these ads. Otherwise, these ads will just keep attacking your screen randomly, and you will be pretty much annoyed. To remove these ads, access the menu Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these junk sites in case you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of all of them. After you do that, the problem should be fixed. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start investigating the system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.